Hello friends and welcome to my new video, and today's topic is guppies fry food. And this is a cotton worm which I can use for good color and growth immune support. So this is a cotton worm and this is made for guppies, discus or any other fish which have small mouth and they can easily eat. You can see this is so small and so lightweight. As you can see, there is in a cube shape, so you can easily cross it and put them in guppy's tank. So you can see this is so small and lightweight. So focus, just a minute, focus it, focus. Oh, now you can see this is so small, and new brownlee baby also can eat their worm. This cotton worm is so light and this is so small. Guppies are very active and schooling fish, so they just need the right kind of food to grow to keep healthy and immune system. They also need a lot of protein, fuel their energy, and you can feed them very easily. So you just need a siphon pipe, then make a roll and switch, and you just put it down. So very easily. That's why the best food for guppy growth will have a mix of real protein as well as ingredients to help their color enhance. Because guppy has a upturned mouth, they surface feeder. Ideal guppy foods for them will fox, skin slowly, and be soft and easy to digest. And adult guppies should be fed 2 or 3 times a day. You can give them some in the morning and some at the night, so you can choose your time and something. It's important to keep in that mind, guppy breathe very quickly and they are live beard. That means instead of laying eggs they actually produce tiny swimming fish. So you can see this is very tiny and they can freely swim when they are born. If you don't separate them from the adults, the baby will soon become a meal. Make sure that adult guppy are accurately fed, especially when they are juvenile in the tank. Another thing to consider is that baby guppies need to more frequency become because they grow so quickly, and you can feed them like a baby brown sim or extra smaller food, and guppies should only get as much food they can eat in about 2 minutes within feeding. Remember that they are not a large fish and they have a small stomach, but you can feed overfeed and fish can be dangerous. So remember that you just need to feed little bit so they can finish it just 1 minute or 2 minutes. But remember one thing, hunger fish are always healthy fish, and if you notice that your guppy appear to have a porry or fully stomach, skip the next feeding and start to give them a little less when it's time to feed them again. It's likely they won't stop themselves. So if you notice a problem, you have to provide them with less food. So if you notice that a lot of food is going underneath and skinned to the bottom of the tank, it likely you are overfeeding. This can cause a few problems in additional to conspirity your fish, make them squealy and uncomfortable. It can also have a negative effect on the water. So overfeeding is always bad for guppy, and not for only guppy. Overfeeding is bad for all the fish, and overfeeding is not so good. So you can feed them little bit and more than 2 times or 3 times, but you can feed them very little amount so they can easily eat and just 1 or 2 minutes. Even the most of the guppy food we choose are formulated not to cool the water. You still want to keep in the pummeling in the large quantity on the bottom of the tank. Eventually it will have negative effect. So as I can say, overfeeding is always bad. Just feed a little amount so they can easily digest, and water quality also good. So thank you so much guys for watching my video, and see you next time and next video. Bye guys.